So, you've got a Monzo card, huh? Fancy piece of plastic, isn't it? Sleek, modern, and promises to revolutionize your finances. But here's the burning question: where on earth can you actually use this thing? I mean, it's great to have a card that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, but if you can't buy a coffee with it, what's the point? Let's dive in and find out which banks are cool enough to accept your Monzo magic. Building context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of which banks accept Monzo, let's talk about what Monzo actually is. For those of you living under a rock, Monzo is a digital bank that's been shaking up the traditional banking scene. It's all about convenience, transparency, and giving you control over your money. You can spend, save, and budget with ease, all from your smartphone. But, as with any newfangled financial product, compatibility is key. Main content: understanding bank acceptance. Now, let's talk about where you can use your Monzo card. The good news is, in most cases, you can use it pretty much anywhere that accepts MasterCard. That's a huge chunk of the world, folks. From your local corner shop to online giants like Amazon, Monzo is generally accepted. But there are a few nuances to consider. ATM networks. While Monzo doesn't have its own physical branches, you can withdraw cash from ATMs. In many countries, Monzo is part of the MasterCard or Maestro network, allowing you to withdraw from ATMs affiliated with these networks. However, some countries or regions might have limitations, so it's always wise to check before you travel. International use. Monzo is generally accepted in most countries. But be aware of potential foreign transaction fees. Some countries might have stricter card security measures, so you might need to inform Monzo of your travel plans. Specific banks and regions. While Monzo is widely accepted, there might be exceptions. Some smaller, regional banks or credit unions might not have updated their systems to recognize Monzo. If you're planning a trip to a specific country, it's worth doing a quick online search to see if there are any known issues. Merchant acceptance. Generally, most merchants that accept MasterCard will accept Monzo. However, there might be very rare instances where a particular store or business has issues with the card. If this happens, don't panic. Contact Monzo's customer support for assistance. Tips for using Monzo abroad. Inform Monzo of your travel plans to avoid card lockouts. Be aware of potential foreign transaction fees. Consider using your Monzo card for larger purchases to get better exchange rates. Have a backup payment method, just in case. Conclusion asterisk. So, there you have it. Monzo is generally a widely accepted card, both domestically and internationally. While there might be some exceptions, the good news is that you can probably use it most places. Remember, technology is constantly evolving, so it's always a good idea to check Monzo's website or app for the latest information on acceptance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.